What am I bringing my foot up to?
Drop your left foot back down onto the jump foot, and then go here first.
Oh.
It's gonna help you shift that weight onto the palm press.
Okay.
And then palm press it, and then reach up right hand before you even worry about your foot. And then just keep the palm press, kind of match feet. And then that just jug left foot. A little bit further, a little bit in, perfect. Then hop it up to there. Sick, dude. And then you got a really good right foot. Oh, you're on it. Perfect.
You're done.
Am I?
Yeah.
No, I mean, there's. Yeah.
Now I am.
Now you're done.
Was that a flash?
Yeah.
Sick.
Except for I dabbed you.
Oh, dude, yeah, it didn't count.
Booty.
That's dope. That was fucking good.